Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today we will perform a review of a new futures funded trading program called Elite Trader Funding or ETF. ETF seems to be offering some pretty heavyweight features and all possible things that one looks for when signing up for a futures funded trading program. And right now, if you use code RDGDTrader, you will get 60% off on all their evaluations, and same discount will be applicable for recurring months. Remember, this offer is valid until this weekend and ends on 23rd of July 22. After which, same code will still give you the best available offer from Elite Trader Funding. So let's jump into this video. But before we go any further, as always, I request you to please hit that like and subscribe button, as this is the only way you can help me grow this channel. When you go to elitetraderfunding.com, you see right away they let you keep 100% of your first $12,500 of profits, which is on the very high end as compared to the competition. Another important feature which I see is they allow up to 10 funded accounts under one login, which is something many people look for before signing up. Another cool feature I see is if you failed your evaluation, they provide automatic free account reset on subscription renewal. For the platform selection, they provide two choices. First is rhythmic based platform and second one is CQG based Tradovate platform, which many people really like, as Tradovate is a web based platform and it also has a mobile app for both Android as well as iOS. In terms of supported markets, apart from CME, CBOT, NYMEX, they also support the small exchange market. So that also stands out for Elite Trader Funding. In terms of their evaluation account offerings, they basically have 4 different categories of accounts. Let's check their first category, which is called One Step. In One Step category, all the account sizes have intraday unrealized profit trailing drawdown. So basically they have live trailing drawdown. For those who do not know what is live trailing, we can walk through a quick example. We will use their 25k evaluation account as an example, for which profit target is $1,500 and max drawdown room is also $1,500. The way live trailing or intraday unrealized profit drawdown works is, if you make a profit of let's say $500 in your first trade, but you are yet to close your position, your max drawdown room gets pulled up by $500, which is your unrealized profit. But let's say trade starts going against you and now you are up just $250 and you decided to close and take $250 of profit. You will notice that your max drawdown room has stayed at the same level. That means at the end of trade 1, your total drawdown room of $1,500 is now reduced by $250 and it is now only $1,250. This is because you did not book highest profit, and hence it is called intraday unrealized profit trailing or a live trailing drawdown. Now let's say trade number 2 turns out to be a $250 loss trade. Your max drawdown room still stays at the same level, reducing your total drawdown room to $1,000 until your profit reaches previous high point, which was plus $500. Your max drawdown room will continue to stay at the same level until you restore it back to $1,500 of drawdown room. As you make new highs of profit in your account, your max drawdown room will start trailing again and it will always trail by $1,500. Once you reach your profit target, you will notice your max drawdown room also has reached your account's starting balance. After passing your evaluation, you will get a funded account with the same live trailing drawdown room. But the only difference will be in the funded account, your drawdown room will stop trailing once it reaches your starting balance plus $100. In this example, it will stop trailing after $2,600. After that, no matter how much more profit you make, your drawdown room will always stay fixed at your starting balance plus $100. The second category of account which ETF offers are called end of day drawdown. As the name suggests, this account have end of day trailing drawdown. In addition, these accounts also have a daily loss limit. We can take same 25k evaluation account example to understand end of day drawdown and daily loss limits. Here you will notice in end of day 25k evaluation account, your profit target is bigger of $1750, but your max drawdown room still stays the same of $1500. In addition to max drawdown limit, here you also need to be aware of what is your max daily loss limit, which is $550 for a 25k evaluation account. Here, if your trade 1 is in the profit of $500 and you do not book highest profit and settle with a $250 winner, you will notice your daily loss limit is still fixed and did not move up. In fact, now you have additional $250 of drawdown room. So your total daily loss limit is now $800. Next trade, you can make use of that additional drawdown room to increase your contract size, and let's say you make a profit of $750. Your daily loss limit will still be at the same point as it is calculated at the end of day. Now because of your profits, your total daily loss limit for the day is increased to $1,550. But let's say that was your last trade for the day and your day 1 has come to an end. Now your total profits at the end of day was $1,000. So on the day 2, your daily loss limit will get readjusted so that day 2, your max daily loss limit again starts at $550. And since you have made $1,000 of profit at the end of day 1, your max drawdown room will be pulled up by $1,000 at the start of day 2. You are starting trading on day 2 now. Your first trade is in profit, but you do not book your profit and the trade goes against you. Here you need to make sure you stop or cut your losses before it reaches your daily loss limit and stop trading for the day, as you cannot go below your daily loss limit of $550 during the day. At the end of day 2, your daily loss limit will be readjusted by $550 below your current account balance. And now you will notice your max drawdown room is still at the same point. Since you had loss in your previous day, your max drawdown room did not move up, and hence you have a less max drawdown room now. Next day you make $500 of profit, and again your daily drawdown room will be increased by $500. With that additional room, you can again increase your contract sizing and increase your profit targets and try to pass your evaluation. Once you have passed your end of day evaluation account, you will get a funded account with the same end of day drawdown room and daily loss limits. Remember, your daily loss limit will persist throughout the lifetime of your funded account, but your max drawdown room will stop once it reaches starting balance of your account plus $100. Next two categories are the Fasttrack and static evaluation accounts, which we will take a look at together. In the Fasttrack evaluation, you will be paying less fees, but you only have 14 calendar days, which is around 10 trading days to pass your evaluation. And here the drawdown type is live trailing. If you compare Fasttrack accounts with step 1 accounts, which is also live trailing, you will notice Fasttrack accounts are more cheaper. And if you compare side by side all three categories of accounts, you can see the difference in pricing. Fasttrack accounts are cheapest. But wait, there is another category called static drawdown account, which might appeal to few people. As in this 100k static evaluation, you only need to make $2,000 of profit. But you have a very small static drawdown room of $625 to start with. So if you are someone who can trade very cautiously first few trade and maybe using small micro contract, you can increase your drawdown room from $625 to $1,000. Then it can be very easy and quick to make $2,000 of profit in a month and get 100K funded account using this evaluation type. It can be very confusing when you have to make a choice between so many account types. So I have put together a comparison chart. You can pause this video at this time to review this information. Please remember to use my code RDGDTrader and you will get 60% off on any evaluation account you choose, except for the Fasttrack accounts, as they are already priced lower, so they do not have discounts. 60% off is valid until this weekend and ends on 23rd of July 22, after which same code will still give you the best available offer from Elite Trader Funding. I have personally signed up for a 150K evaluation account and I will be walking you through the sign up process next. After you have made the choice of evaluation account and are ready to check out, you will need to fill in the following form and provide your personal information. Please use code RDGDTrader to redeem 60% discount on your evaluation fees. Accept their agreement and make a choice of trading platform you want to use. I have selected Tradovate platform, which is based on the CQG data feed, and click continue to payment. Provide the payment detail. You will notice that 60% discount is also applicable for future months renewal, in case you need more than 1 month to pass your evaluation. Next, you will get confirmation of your purchase, and also you will start seeing your Rhythmic or Tradovate platform login credentials right away. You will also get a link to their connection guide. Connection guide provides you detailed information on the next steps. For Tradovate platform, you can log in via following web browser based URL, or you can download and install their Tradovate desktop app, available for both Windows as well as Mac platforms. Also, they provide a mobile trading app for both Android as well as iOS users. You can log in to Tradovate trading platform using the credentials from your previous step. On your first login, you will be required to accept their agreement, enter date and signature, and then sign in. You have one more agreement to accept before you are ready to trade. Click continue on the simulation account, as you will get opportunity to see your actual evaluation account once you get past this step. Now you will be logged in to your trading platform and you will see a default trading setup which includes depth of market, basic charts, account and order summary windows. And this is good enough to start trading right away. But if you want, you can further customize this setup as per your requirement. If you are interested in learning how I am progressing in my Elite Trader Funding 150K evaluation and you want to see the trading strategies I am following, join me on Discord and please subscribe to my channel, as I trade live every day here on YouTube from morning 7:30 AM Eastern to 9 AM Eastern pre-market sessions. Thank you for watching this video and I will see you soon in my next video. Bye bye.